Hi, I'm Karen, and I'm going to apologize that I have to do a voiceover because my audio did not record. Today we are making sausage and zucchini stew, which is a recipe that I've adapted from a slow cooker recipe. So I have had my pot on saute and it is now hot. I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter, and then I'm going to saute my sausage until it gets browned. Then once it's a little bit browned, I'm going to begin adding my other vegetables. So I'm going to put this in there. And then what we're going to do is chop up some celery and onions in my Cuisinart. And those I do because my family does not like them in bigger chunks. So now what we're doing is adding my celery, which was about 4 stalks of celery, and then 1 medium onion, and I'm going to let those saute for a couple of minutes until they soften. And then I'll start adding the other ingredients. I have zucchini next, which I turn off my pot, and I have 6 cups of sliced zucchini, and those are pretty thin slices. 6 cups is about 3 medium zucchini. And then I'm going to add 56 ounces of crushed tomatoes. I used no salt added crushed tomatoes. And make sure that you do not stir these together. You need to pour them on top because otherwise you'll end up with a burn notice. And then once you have both of those in, you're going to begin adding your seasonings. So I'm going to go ahead and explain that so I can explain the rest while you watch me add seasonings. So it's 2 teaspoons of each. You're going to have 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 2 teaspoons of dried basil. Then what you're going to do is close your pot, seal the vent, and you are going to use your meat and stew button, and that will let it set for low pressure for 30 minutes. When the time is up, you can quick release and go ahead and serve. Now, if you do not have a meat and stew button, then what you can do is you can use the manual low pressure 30 minutes and then quick release. That way you can still cook it for the same. So I'm going to post a picture, and if you enjoyed these videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.